In this video, we'll see how to connect DIP switch and LEDs to Arduino board. The components required are Arduino board, small breadboard, DIP switch, and 1 kilo ohm resistor, 4 resistors to connect the switch, and 4 LEDs. So we'll place the LED on the breadboard. So this leg of the LED, let's connect it to the ground. And let's also connect the ground. The ground connection is done. Now we'll give the power supply. So this 4 legs of the switch must be connected to the power supply. So we'll take the 5 volts power supply. Now we'll give the pin connection. Let's connect the first LED to the tenth pin. Then the second LED to the 11th pin. So the LED connection is done. Similarly, we'll give connection for the switch also. The first switch will connect it to the 8th pin. The second we'll connect it to the 7th one. The third will connect it to the 6th one. And the fourth will connect it to the 5th one. So this is how we'll connect a DIP switch to LEDs and Arduino. Now we'll do the coding part. We'll take text. So we'll connect the LEDs first. So 13 as output. Similarly, there are 4 LEDs connected. So pin mode 12 as output, 11 as output, and 10 as output. So these are the pins where the LEDs are connected. Next, we should initialize all the pins where the switch is connected. So for that, we'll write pin mode 8, input. Similarly, 8, 7, 6, and 5 should be initialized as input. So 8, 7, 6, and 5. So the initialization part is done. So we'll write a simple coding to glow the LED based on the switch condition. So how are we going to do it? We'll say digital write off. So red LED, I'm going to connect it to the first switch. So first switch is connected to 8th pin and red LED is connected to the 10th pin. So digital write off 10, comma. So based on the condition of your first switch, that is 8th pin, the 10th LED connected to the 10th pin should work. That's how I am writing the code. Then digital write off 11th 11, comma, digital read of the second switch. So where is the second switch connected? It's connected to 7. So I'm writing 7. Similarly, digital write of 12, comma, digital read of 6. So digital write of 13, comma, digital read of 5. So fourth switch is connected to the blue one. This is connected, third is connected to the orange, 2 is connected to green, and 1 is connected to red. So we'll see how the output works. So we'll start the simulation. So here when I change the first pen, the first LED glows. And when I put it off, it just vanish. It goes off. Similarly, the second one on and off. Then the third one on and then it is off. Again, the fourth one on and then it is off. So we'll keep second and the fourth one on. So it says that green and blue is glowing. So this is how we connect the dip switch to the LED through Arduino.